The nervous system. The nervous system is the body's communication system. It consists of two parts. The central nervous system includes the brain and spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system includes all other nerves. Nearly all messages of the nervous system involve the brain. Messages may begin with one of the major sense organs. Nerve cells in the sense organs react to changes in the environment. Information is converted to electrical and chemical signals that travel in sensory nerves. These nerves lead to the spinal cord and brain or to the brain directly. Messages carried on motor nerves act to move distant body parts such as the arms and legs. Nerve cells. The shape of the nerve cell helps it function. Dendrites spread out from the cell body. The axon provides a quick path to the next nerve cell. The synapse is a small gap between cells where the electrical messages changes into a chemical matrix. Reflexes. Nerve cells can react to changes in the environment quickly. This reaction is called a reflex. Suppose a ball was thrown at you. Nerve endings in your skin pick up the impact signal and immediately send it to the spinal cord. The spinal cord sends a message to your brain and hands. Your body reacts just before thinking you've been hit. The brain. The brain is the most complex part of the nervous system. It consists 90% of the body's nerve cells. All actions except for reflex actions are controlled by the brain. The brain is protected by the skull. The upper portion of the brain is called the cerebrum. It receives, stores, and recalls all the information picked up to the senses. It is also the processing center for memory, decision-making, thinking, speech, smell, taste, touch, vision, and hearing. The cerebrum is divided into two halves. The right cerebrum controls the left side of the body. While the left side cerebrum controls the right side of the body. Below the cerebrum is the cerebellum, which controls muscle coordination and balance. The medulla controls involuntary actions such as the heartbeat, breathing, and the digestion. The endocrine system. The endocrine system is a group of glands that releases chemical messengers into the blood. The messengers are called hormones. Hormone controls the body growth. Hormones control the body's growth, its use of energy, and its ability to reproduce. Adrenaline is a hormone released into the body in times of danger. Some hormones control the levels of sugar or calcium in the blood. Others control the sexual maturation process of men and women. Oxytocin is a hormone secreted by the posterior lobe of the pituitary gland, a pea-sized structure at the base of the brain. It's sometimes known as the cuddle hormone, or the love hormone, because it is released when people snuggled or bond socially. Other endocrine organs such as the hypothalamus controls the pituitary and the pineal gland. Thyroid gland is for metabolism, growth, and development. Thymus stimulates the immune system. Adrenaline gland, osmotic balance, fight or flight response. Pancreas, insulin and glucagon, or blood sugar. Ovary and testes for the release of estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone.
Reproductive system. The male reproductive system is controlled by hormones. The testes produce sperm. The male sex cells. Sperm are stored in the scrotum. The sperm leave the body through the penis. The female reproductive system is controlled by hormones. The ovaries produce female sex cells, or eggs. There an egg matures and is released into the uterus. If fertilized, it attaches to the wall of the uterus. If not, it passes out of the body through the vagina. Once again, hormones are important factors such as in puberty and in moods. Puberty. For young men, the hormone testosterone is the hormone that starts development from boy to man. Testosterone is the major male sex hormone and it is produced in the testes. Testosterone levels rise significantly during puberty. When levels are high enough, testosterone starts the production of sperm, causes the chest and shoulders to broaden, and causes facial hair to grow. During puberty, your ovaries get bigger and your body will start to produce two hormones, estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen causes your breast to grow and helps your vagina, uterus and fallopian tubes to develop. It also makes you grow taller and also changes the way fat is stored on your body, making your waist, hips, and buttocks more obvious. After puberty, estrogen and progesterone control your menstrual cycle or period. The influx of hormones during puberty can cause a range of feelings or emotions in both young women and young men. And these feelings can change often. You might get sudden mood changes, changing emotions, an involuntary increase in sexual feelings and fantasies. Menstrual cycle. The growth and release of a mature egg is called the menstrual cycle. The cycle, roughly 28 days in length, starts when an egg begins to mature. The egg is released into the uterus if the egg is not fertilized. Uterine lining breaks down and is shed through the vagina as menstrual blood. The cycle begins again. If a mature egg and sperm unite and attach to the uterus, a pregnancy results. Growth of the fetus. As soon as an egg is fertilized, a sequence of changes begin, series of events occur. One following the other, the egg connects itself to the uterus through a membrane called the placenta. There, the egg begins to divide and grow. The rapidly developing organism is called an embryo. During the first 3 months of pregnancy, the head and brain grow quickly, but the body growth is slow. The heart forms and begins to beat. Although all body systems are present, most of them cannot function yet. During this period, the embryo is very sensitive. A mother that uses nicotine, alcohol, or drugs can seriously damage it. At the end of 2 months, the embryo begins to look somewhat human. At that stage, it is called the fetus. During the next 3 months, the body begins to catch up with the head. Skin develops and the mother may feel the fetus kick. During the last 3 months, gains a great deal of weight. Soon it can no longer move freely in the uterus. Bones, blood, and nerves develop rapidly. At this time, good nutrition, especially the addition of calcium, iron, and protein, is essential to the mother's diet. Birth. At the end of about 9 months, the mother's body produces hormones that control the baby's birth. The smooth muscles of the uterus begin to contract and relax. This movement, called labor, pushes the baby down the birth canal and out of mother's body. The umbilical cord that joined the baby to the mother is cut. After a few more contractions, the placenta is forced out of the mother's body.